Hi everyone, how are you doing this week? Well, I'm doing pretty good. It's been raining pretty heavily for the past few days, which means that there's no PE. So it's been really great. I love rain. My cat just jumped on my table. Anyway, today we will be reading Pete the Cat Secret Agent by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat Secret Agent by Kimberly and James Dean. Look, can you spot Secret Agent Meow? He's the coolest spy in town. No one knows that Agent Meow's true identity is Pete the Cat. Not even Bob. Agent Meow is an expert at solving cases. Last year, he caught the Ruby Robber. My favorite necklace. 2 weeks ago, he found the missing key to town. You've saved the town again. Agent Meow works in a top secret location. The only way to unlock the door is with his paw print. Inside, he has a lot of very groovy gadgets. The Meowmobile can take Agent Meow anywhere at lightning speed. It can turn into a car, a helicopter, and even a skateboard. Agent Meow also has a super cool spy watch camera. It looks like an ordinary watch, but with one click, it's anything but ordinary. He just created his own flying listening device so he can hear everything, even when he's not near. He calls it his secret catcher. Sometimes, when Agent Meow is on a mission, he wears his disguise. Once, Agent Meow coated himself in paint to blend in with the painting. Another time, he pretended to be a tree. A bird family built a nest on his head. He's a cat undercover. One morning, Agent Meow is flying his secret catcher when he hears a surprising message. Agent Meow can't tell who is talking because there's too much static, but he hears, "Super secret rendezvous, 7 p.m. tonight. You know where to meet." Agent Meow is very intrigued. He needs to fine-tune his secret catcher so he can hear better next time. He heads to the hardware store. He takes a shortcut to the park. Time is of the essence when you're a spy. Agent Meow spots a group of people whispering by the swings. Why would anyone come to the park and not play on the swings? He wonders. He disguises himself so he can get closer. "Tonight is going to be huge," says Squirrel. "I really hope we can pull this off," says Octopus. "What should I bring?" "Go ask Grumpy Toad," says Squirrel. "He knows the plan." Grumpy Toad works at the library. Agent Meow knows exactly where to go next. The library is very quiet, so Agent Meow tiptoes around the bookshelves. Good thing he knows his secret hiding spot inside the bookcase. He pulls on his favorite book, and it leads to an underground hideaway. Finally, he spots Grumpy Toad whispering to Gus. He pulls out his secret catcher. "Do you need anything else for tonight?" "No, that's all right. Turtle's already at the market. He's picking up stuff for me." Agent Meow knows he will never make it to the market before Turtle leaves. At least, not without his Meowmobile. "Aha! Suspect Turtle spotted," says Agent Meow. Good thing he remembered to bring his old-fashioned binoculars. Looks like he was buying gallons of banana ice cream. But why is Callie there too? Agent Meow turns on his secret catcher. He hears Callie and Turtle talking. "I found Grumpy Toad's fish sticks." "Cool, now let's get going. We can't be late to Gus's house." Agent Meow checks his watch. He has to move fast. He hops on his Meowmobile and zooms over. It's only 10 minutes until it's 7 p.m. What could a secret meeting be about? Agent Meow wonders. He'll need the perfect disguise, one that will blend in. He tries several hats, glasses, and even a wig. Suddenly, he gets the perfect idea. He will go as Pete the Cat. No one will suspect him. Agent Meow tries to whistle and act cool as he walks by Gus's house. Yet he can't help but feel a little nervous. He walks up to the house. It seems quiet. Too quiet. Surprise! Everyone yells. It's a secret birthday party for you, says Callie. We got all your favorite food, like fish sticks and banana ice cream. How do you know it was my birthday? Asks Agent Meow. You can't keep a secret from us, says Gus. Pete the cat may be able to keep his secret identity. Agent Meow, hidden from his friends. But he definitely can't keep his birthday a secret. This is the best surprise party of all time. So, that was the end. Have you ever had a surprise party or set one up for someone else? Well, I've never done either of those things, but it would be a great idea if you or your friend likes surprises, which I don't, and neither do my friends, which is why we haven't done anything like that. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!